Good evening everyone. Today Tuesday night at around 12:30 a.m. we just opened US market. US market has been showing almost a sign of pullback here. Also it's almost reached its all-time high near about in every segment, in every stock, in every region. Today when I open market, I see a crude oil near about 2.5% down. US Tech 100 is near about 1% down. Gold is about 1.37% down. Nvidia, as the results were waiting, is near about 1.7% down. Now the Bitcoin is near about 7.5% down. It's a huge crash in a Bitcoin. Let's see about a Bitcoin. In a Bitcoin segment, it has been near about 1,10,000 zone this month. If we see this week, it's nearly this week, yes, this month, yes, this week itself, yes, in this week itself it's near about from 99,000 it's now down to 87,000. It had made a top at the start of this month, exactly near about 1,05,000 to 1,10,000. It has made an all-time high. From there it has corrected near about 16%. Okay, it has almost zoomed more than 100% in last 1 year. So technically Bitcoin has seen a corrections. If we see the last candle, it's showing a total bearish correction in a Bitcoin, a steep fall in a Bitcoin, showing near about 17% correction within a month. If we see a gold which has touched almost 2,950 mark, it's all about in a dollars. Suddenly it has shown a positive returns of about more than 42% in a year, but after reaching its all-time high it has given a steep correction near about from 2,970 dollars. Now it's have corrected within a week. I can say today itself it has came down to near about a fall of $70, but after making a steep fall it has corrected and gain about nearly $20. So it's now trading a flat near about 2922 after getting a high of 2960. Okay, same we can say in a case of Nvidia, its number were waiting. Tesla, all we know, it's very poor number, quarterly number shown by Tesla. It has now corrected near about 8.76% in a day, means it has now fallen up to 9% since morning. Dow Jones is very green. Nasdaq 100 has corrected near about 1%. SP 500 is near about 0.36%. US 500 is near about 0.35%. Natural gas has increased by 3%. Oil almost corrected near about 2.5%. Euro USD has jumped. Hang Seng has jumped. Indices, if we see SP 500 weeks is near about 2.27% on a volatility mark. Small cap is about 0.43% corrections. If we see index futures, US 500 is near about 0.35% negative. Index future is almost saying that there has to be a correction in US market, which was long awaited. If we see shares, the most active shares, Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, all are in Amazon, all are in a red, and a huge red is a Tesla, which is followed by huge corrections along with the super microcomputer that is of 10% downturn. This shows that euphoria in US market, especially Nasdaq, has blown up. Equity is now getting corrected. Optimism may change in a pessimistic view in US market. Now if we see the commodity, everybody knows that gold has corrected. Now silver has corrected near about 2.20%. Copper is near about 0.67%. Brent oil also corrected. Only natural gas, which is uh, traders heaven in such market, is now appreciated. Everything around the world along commodity zone has, particularly metal, has shown its corrections. A very good thing about the metal industries. If we see about a currency, there is a appreciation in euro currency, appreciation in what I can say Chinese currency. There is a correction in the dollar index of 0.6106.215, 0.28% of correction in a dollar index. So very good thing to see. If we see US dollar to INR, it's about 87.105. It will correct tomorrow itself because RBI is now pushing for a liquidity. Okay, so if we see a crypto, everything has fallen a big fall in a crypto after a huge rally for last 1 year. It was expected. If we see a bond markets are also showing its sign of cooling off near about 2% in US 10 years, 30 years and 2 years bond securities. So we can say that money will return to equity and equity will return to emerging markets, especially to India. So wait for a good news in coming days. A reversal towards 22700 to 23700 should be on a mark in coming month. In my view, do your own research before jumping on any conclusion. Thank you.